Characteristics of living and non-living things. The world we live in has two kinds of things, living and non-living. Everything you can see on the screen now is non-living. The bench, rocks, books, basket, sand, stones, cycle, lamppost, and the wall. Can you now see some animals, birds, a boy, a tree, and some plants? These are living things. We shall now learn the features of living things. All living things breathe. But what do we mean by breathing? By breathing, we mean taking in air which is rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. Human beings and animals breathe in through their noses. They absorb oxygen present in air and give out the unwanted carbon dioxide. Insects have holes through which they breathe. Plants breathe through pores in their leaves. These pores are called stomata. Fishes have gills to breathe. You must remember that both plants and animals breathe in air rich in oxygen and breathe out air rich in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a waste material that is given off. But you must also remember that plants take in carbon dioxide from air to make their own food. The first living things on earth were the plants. This is because only plants make their own food. All other living things depend on plants for their food. All living things need food and water to grow and be strong. Men, birds, insects, fish, and other animals eat different kinds of food. Plants make their own food. For this, the plants use water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Water and carbon dioxide combine to form sugar, a plant food. This change can take place only in the presence of chlorophyll, the green color pigment present in the leaves. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, the energy that is required for preparing the food. This process of preparation of food by plants is called photosynthesis. All living things feel. They respond to heat, light, pain, and sound. Look at the screen and observe how living things feel. Plants can feel too. Observe this plant. It is kept in a dark area. You observe that the plant is moving towards the sunlight. It is in fact growing towards the source of light. You can see here that the sunflower slowly turns and faces the sun. Yes, it can feel the sunlight. The touch-me-not closes its leaves as soon as you touch it, as it can feel your touch. Living things move. All living things can move. Animals and humans move with the help of their legs. Birds and some insects fly with their wings. Even plants can move. We have seen the sunflower and the touch-me-not moving. Did you know that there are flowers that open up and swallow insects that come near them? To grow is to become taller, bigger, or older. All living things grow. You have seen little babies growing. Look at these animals and birds. See how they grow. Pygmies in Central Africa are the shortest people on earth. An adult pygmy is about 1.2 meters in height, perhaps shorter than you. Living things reproduce. All living things have young ones of their own kind. You have seen baby girls and boys. Have you seen a kitten, a puppy, a foal, or a baby elephant? Insects, birds, and fishes lay eggs. Young babies hatch out of their eggs. Plants have seeds. When seeds are sown, young plants called seedlings grow from them. All living things breathe, feel, need food, move, grow, and reproduce. Non-living things do not do any of these things.